Team Weevil, and I am Nikhil, the team leader presenting. This is our prototype for KLA PS01, an AI-based restoration of degraded semiconductor images. We have built a unit that jointly deionizes and super resolves KLA's SEM images, trained on their paired dataset. After 20 epochs, validation PSNR reached about 27 decibels and SSIM 0.74 with a stable convergence. Here you can see the degraded input, our restored output, and the ground truth side by side. The model removes speckle noise and correctly upscales 128 to 256 pixels, recovering structural edges. Full code weights documentation are on our GitHub, link in the submission. Thanks.